A long, long time ago, before our ancestors walked the earth, the rainbow serpent created all the land and all the water, all the animals that walked the earth, and all the birds that flew in the sky.
The rainbow serpent wanted all the creatures she created to enjoy the earth, the water, and all the delicious food she had made for them to eat.
And all the birds were black.
The emus were black, the kookaburras were black, the parrots were black, and the crow was also black. The crows were proud of their jet black feathers and their noctic blue eyes, and they would strut around together and try to bully the other birds sometimes.
One day, a little dove flew around looking for food. He had slept a long time and was hungry. He saw a fat, juicy grub on the ground and flew down to grab. But he missed. He missed the grub and landed on a sharp stick which pierced his foot and hurt him very badly.
He lay on the ground in a lot of pain, and his foot began to swell up and got very big. The poor little dove was very sick and nobody knew what to do.
Kookaburras laugh because sometimes laughing helps when you don't feel very happy.
But that did not help.
Emus found little dove with their big wings because fresh air sometimes helps.
But not this time.
Bolga did a dance because sometimes watching a beautiful dance can help.
But the little dove still did not get better.
But he was dying.
Everybody tried to help the little dove except the crow.
Crow was too proud to help and walked around watching with his hands behind his back.
He cocked his head and called at the group.
Leave her alone, she'll be okay. We have a lot of stuff to do today. We got grubs to catch and worms to kill. Leave the dove and go your way.
Crow, you're chicken! Leave us alone! Me helping dove when you're on your own! If you get sick, then don't call for us! We won't help you! Cause you won't help us!
Suddenly, Parrot, who had been standing back the whole time, rushed forward and stabbed the dove's swollen foot with his sharp beak.
The little dove's foot burst open and sprayed bright colours all over the parrot. Blue, green, yellow and purple.
The parrot could not believe her eyes and flew up into the air for joy.
I've seen the toughest around, and I know, baby, just how you feel. You got to roll with the punches and get to what's real. Can't you see me standing here? I got my back against the wrecking machine. I ain't the worst that you've seen. Can't you see what I mean? Might as well jump.
The colors left from bird to bird. Some turning pink and some turning brown. Some were green with stripes and spots. Some were blue with polka dots. The birds were black and did a dance. The kookaburra laughed and fell off their branch. The butcher bird sang a beautiful song. Bunny flew in a colorful frog. Crow looked down his big black beak. He told the bird he did not agree. The colors are ugly and white and brown. All stand out now with the crowds. The other birds ignored the crow. They called and called till the cows came home. Crow ran round alone, picking up rubbish when the people are gone. And don't forget the little black dog, and hurt her foot and started all this. She flew away
why.